product along with their marketing strategy and profit analysis. Once again, I take this opportunity to welcome all of you, our venture capitalists, to our dream project. Now, I call upon the members of Group 1 to get going with the sales pitch.
Good morning, dear parents. We are the creative creators and are here to tell you about our amazing handmade product, stationery stands. The members of our creative group are Aditya, Vaibhav, Jatin, Harshit and me, Simran.
Our creative pen stands are made of different and beautiful materials. These look very elegant on any study desk.
Many of us have very messy desks. To prevent this clutter, we have decided to make stationery stands to keep your pens, pencils and other stationery in order.
We draw our inspiration from Lawrence Larry Page. He is the current Chief Executive Officer of Google. He is one of the most successful entrepreneurs.
Our requirements for the making of our product are plain ice cream sticks, M-seal, quilling sheets and colored ice cream sticks. The total requirements needed for our product comes to rupees 531.
As you saw earlier, our cost price is rupees 531. We are making 3 types of stands. Plain ones, which are made out of plain sticks. Colored ones, which are made out of colored sticks. And mixed ones, which are made out of mixed, which are plain and colored sticks. Our pen stands range from rupees 30 to rupees 40. Our total revenue is 1050 rupees. Thus, our estimated profit is 519 rupees and our estimated profit percentage is 97.7%.
We request you, dear venture capitalists, to please lend us a loan of rupees 531 so that we can start manufacturing our products.
Our marketing strategy consists of a jingle and a dance which will be presented after the PowerPoint presentation and many colorful charts including flyers made of recycled paper.
Our profits will go to Karunashraya, an organization which takes care of terminally ill cancer patients.
Thank you, parents. Now, we will present to you our marketing strategy, the jingle, as mentioned by Vaibhav earlier. Wake up in the morning seeing pen stand on the desk. How elegant do they look? Beauty will make you dance. Your house will spick and span, your attention won't expand. Tick tock on the clock, pen stands are very smart. Won't you buy them all before the stocks run out?
Dear parents, now you may ask us any questions that you have.
In what ways you can reduce the cost of the product by, let's say, 2 rupees per unit? What are the ways?
If our products are not selling good, then we will give a discount for maybe the first 5 customers or so.
How much time does it take for you to make one pen stand, and have you considered your cost of time spent on it so that your profit can be increased?
Actually, the time spent on a pen stands depends on the 3 types. The plain ones will take about 30 minutes. Then the mixed ones depends on what the decoration will be put in. then the colored ones will be also depending on the decoration. The plain ones will be just ice cream sticks with some decoration which we have decided using quilling sheets.
Sir, we'll also be manufacturing the products in school in our free time. So that's how we get time for making our products. Thank you, parents, for being so patient and listening to our PPT. Hope to see you on our market day. And don't forget,